Hey everyone, I'm Jared, Director of Learning and Development here at the Earthmoving Legacy Center, and I'm also the guy behind the camera capturing, editing, and narrating all the videos that you see on our channel. I'm usually the one reading all your comments, and let's be honest, some of your restoration questions get pretty technical. Since I'm not the one turning the wrenches, I usually text the crew to get the answer, then post it for you. So I thought, why not just let the crew answer you directly? So we're launching a new Q&A segment called Wrenched and Answered, where the crew that actually performs these restorations pulls your questions from a shop bucket and answers them on camera. First up is going to be a restoration that got a lot of attention, the Caterpillar 666. So drop your questions in the comments by this Friday, October 17th, and you might see them in the first episode. Also, if you like the shirt or hat that I'm currently wearing, you can now find both of them on our online gift shop at earthmovinglegacy.com. Looking forward to seeing what questions you guys come up with.